In this video, I'm going to show you how to grill some turkey burgers. I really like this grill because it has a built-in thermometer on the top here, and I use that all the time. It really helps. All right, first step is I'm going to get this grill warmed up. All right, I'm going to be turning it on max heat. Get this nice and hot. It'll basically sanitize it and we'll be ready to cook. All right, we're at about 400 degrees. It's been on for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and clean the grills off. I just use this to clean the grill. Okay, and that is nice and hot and ready for our burgers. Before I start, I'm gonna turn this down to about halfway on 3, like 40%. I've learned we'll lock it in at about 350 with the lid closed. So I'm gonna keep it right there because that's the temperature I want for my frozen patties. Here are our frozen turkey burgers, and then we just have some regular beef patties right here. Again, these are frozen, so that's how we're starting. So I'm gonna be cooking these turkey burgers on the hottest part of the grill, which is the front, because they're thicker. And then I'm gonna put these frozen patties on the back side right here. I'm going to be cooking this at 350, so I'm going to be watching that temperature carefully, and I want to do about 5 minutes on one side, and then I will flip it and go from there. Usually this takes about 10 to 15 minutes. I like to watch the temperature carefully. If it gets hotter than 350, I'll open the lid or I'll turn the knobs down, but you want to watch that temperature. You don't want it to, sometimes if you walk away and forget about it, it'll act like an oven inside of there and get hotter. Before you know it, it's 500 degrees and there's smoke coming up everywhere, so just be careful with that. Just checking on it a couple minutes later, you see how the temperature is starting to drift up. So I'm gonna open this, vent some heat out. It's also an indicator that I need to turn this down slightly so that I can lock in that 350 degrees. You can see the frost is starting to melt off the top of the patties. On the burgers, the beef patties, those are starting to get the blood drips on the top as it cooks through. Those are a little bit skinnier than the turkey burgers, so those are gonna go faster. So this is after 5 minutes at 350. Gonna go ahead and do another 5 minutes. Okay, here we are at 10 minutes. These turkey burgers, you can see that there's like a clear fluid coming out of the top here. That's an indication that it's perfect for you to flip. I'm gonna do a little bit more on both sides. These patties are done. The kids like them well done, so that's exactly what they're getting. Woo. Since they were frozen, they look a little bit wet here. Just gotta shake it off. I'm just gonna go ahead and squat those up here for a couple minutes while these turkey burgers finish up. And while we wait, actually, I'll show you this. I have a thermometer, and poultry 165 is what you need the temperature to be internally. Okay, this is perfect, 165. This one's reading about 160, so I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. Okay, and got this one back up to where it needs to be. Tested it multiple times, so these are ready. And that's how I like to grill frozen turkey burgers. Thanks for watching.